Good morning. If in this day you only knew what makes for peace, that cry can come from our souls in 2025. But do we know what makes for peace? I really don't know the specifics, but I know the outline, and it is that we must sincerely stop and say, do I love God in my neighbor? Who is my neighbor? Do I care for my neighbor? That makes for peace. The very first step in order to bring about peace must be an attitude that searches for the deeper understanding of peace. For every relationship in our homes, in our churches, our schools, and certainly in our government and in our society. If you only knew what makes for peace, I think we do, but we don't want to follow it.